I think so. The most exciting thing would be is the different items that we do make. Every day is pretty much different here, depending on our schedule. So it's all chocolate, but it's different shapes, sizes, milk and dark. So I think that's the variety speaks volumes here.
Hi, I'm Greta the chocolate covered pretzel, and I would love if you would join me on a trip around Gardner's Canyon to meet all of my family members. My family members are created by a family owned business, and it is something that I'm very, very proud of. First, I'll take you to the production line of the large peanut butter eggs. We all call them the Big Daddies because they are so large. First, the peanut butter is stirred with the chocolate. Then, it's put into special molds, and after that, both of the halves of the eggs are melted together. Next, I'll take you to the chocolate popcorn playground. First, the popcorn is put on a slide. They then go through a chocolate tube, coating them all in a yummy chocolate. After that, they go through another tube. This tube cools them down and firms them up, kind of like when you go to the gym. They all love the playground. Hear their giggles? Next, I'll take you to meet my aunts and uncles, the chocolate-covered pretzel sticks. After they are put on their conveyor belt, they're taken through and covered in chocolate, just like the popcorn. After that, they get drizzled in chocolate, just to make them a little more fancy. Finally, they're packaged up in pairs, just like true love for them and the people who will eat them. And finally, here are a couple of interviews.
Candy. I really enjoy it. I mean, who wouldn't enjoy working in a chocolate factory?
Exactly.
So it's fun and exciting, and at the end of the day that you're bringing smiles to people's faces.
I just try to think of like those families like at home who maybe can't afford to go on their trip or can't afford to just put money out of pocket. I think it's really important to offer those fundraisers to these kids, to these families, so that they do have an opportunity to go on these trips, to participate in all of the functions that and opportunities that we want to give and provide for them.
Thank you so much for tagging along, and I hope you enjoyed the trip. I hope you loved all of my family members as much as I loved them. Have an amazing day.